here, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of GTP Works. I'm Gusto Voss here with Mr.H, showing you how to take all kind of good used metals and to make them into knives, blades, spears, axes, swords, and other cool items. This week's episode is a part 2 of how to make a grinder out of a weight bench with no welding tools. This is going to be the finishing up of the Rancor tooth and see how it turned out. At this point, everything looked good so far, so I like the way it was looking.
Voss, why don't you just buy this stuff instead, instead of thinking you know how to make it?
So again, why are you here?
Because I'm a pain in your okole.
That doesn't answer that question, but to answer your question is because I had the confidence to do it, and even if I didn't do it right, I gave it a shot, and next time, I do it much better.
So you know you're gonna mess up, and there's gonna be a next time in this episode, so you can do it all over again, huh? Crazy.
At the time, I didn't have a welder and didn't have much experience with one. I had seen the plans of the blueprints online and knew I could put this style of grinder together with the weight bench by cutting out the frame and the brackets and drilling all the holes together. Then I could add some bolts to lock it all down and add some Loctite to secure that all together.
So that's all you needed was Loctite and brackets? No, looks like you needed more than that. Oh, no. You're gonna lop off your finger doing this, I swear.
So that's what you think, huh? Well, let's finish up part 2 of this episode and see how the weight bench Rancor tooth no welding tools grinder came out, everyone. Please enjoy.
Grinding, getting my cash right. Red line, I'm in the fast line. All night, get that money all night, yeah, to the sunlight. Grinding, getting my cash right. Red line, I'm in the fast life.
fucking with me and my clique all week.
Ain't your average professional amateur.
It ain't like that.
Yeah.
Far from it.
Man, I thought I was just gonna sit around, bro.
Nah, fuck that.
I ain't trying to demotivate the studio. One day I grabbed the mic, wrecking it. Niggas ain't knowing, but check it, respect it. My tongue's quick to sense. Weak niggas make me tense. Reminiscing off shit in this new year. Vision closer than a tear. They got me fucked like dialing 1-800. Temptation, plenty paper, my consolation. Tired of crawling. FEDs claim my clique is ballin'. We need to be while these bitches stallin'. Dropping bars, in jail, representing. We deep in this hell.
We deep in this hell, yo, we deep in this hell. But the gods will prevail, cause our law won't fail. Crack my shell, yo, I don't think so. My flow is deadly. Niggas, is you ready for this abyss? The scientists, the genesis of apocalypse. The devil ain't stopping us, the FBI. Want the ABY, double S to die. But they can't try I'm the GODMASTER, FULSHAB, AR with the motherfucking scar on my head. I rock with that nigga truth born to dread. Niggas get me fed, especially the feds. For real, they want niggas dead. 5-0 want me to die slow, all up in the Tahoe, taking fingerprints like they ain't got sense. What the fuck? Niggas is stiff like mannequins, examining the style is damaging. Any nigga challenging, prepare for rough handling. It's the A-click, face it, relate shit with poetic greatness. The every time greatest, you can't deny that. Bitch niggas wanna flex, why try that? You die quicker, you best to chill, I'm a motherfucking gun slickster. I stick your ass up, pick that ass up and lay you down. Then spray your whole town, it's the shake chiller, the motherfucking grave filler. The born killer from the womb, put you in your tomb. It's your motherfucking doom, don't assume. Consume your shit like shroom and go psycho. Making these money and breaking bitches, how my night go. Blazing these mark in the dark ass wannabe AB. Got them singing Sadie, overprotecting ladies. Put shit up in your chest like lungs. Kidnap your young fake rappers, get their tongues cut out. Raise the fuck up, street moms be like Pink Johns be getting touched up. My niggas be doing time for throwing the 9 luck up.
9 luck up, nigga. Y'all niggas fuck around and get stuck up. That's how we do it, 9-8. Bitch niggas in the house though.
Niggas is stiff like mannequins, examining the style is damaging. Any nigga challenging, prepare for rough handling. It's the A-click, face it, relate shit with poetic greatness. Niggas is stiff like mannequins, examining the style is damaging. Any nigga challenging, prepare for rough handling. It's the A-click, face it, relate shit with poetic greatness. MCs get hit by the swift soloist, poisonous paragraphs rip through your staff quick. It's the A-click, we lay laws like governors, blow spots like claymores.
Chill, God, ain't no need for you to say more.
Wow. So that's what you did, huh? Good job.
Wow, good job on the grinder? Really? Thanks.
No, I meant the dancing at the end. Come on, man. But yes, the grinder too. I am surprised it works.
Surprised you said good job on something. Anything.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, man, I'm surprised you have all your little Jawa fingers. But yeah, it works good. Nice.
Yes, came out really good. The grinds were much cleaner, and with the arms I could change out to do the handles and the finger groove grinds that I needed to. Up until that point I'd been using a file to do it. It became much faster to do the handles, and it's such a useful tool. In further episodes you guys will see how useful it was to make all the grinds out.
So, we're like doing this, huh? Like for the long haul, right? You know? Okay. Well, I guess I should hate, but I kind of feeling different. Like how I feel about Impossible Burgers and moped accidents.
Yes, we're here through fire and metal, like I said before. This and so much more. And we're gonna end this episode right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Love, talk, and join us. Go to gtpworks.com for blade works and other items, and we'll see you next time.